Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 31 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends, healthy and safe. Today's quote was submitted to us by Marjorie Fontalvo. I think it's a very appropriate quote given the times that we find ourselves in. This is a quote from Mahatma Gandhi. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Thanks for submitting that quote. It's a wonderful and appropriate quote for the start of week 7 of our remote delivery of instruction. So if you have a quote that you would like to share, please send it in. So today you'll notice I have a slightly different background than last week. Today I am coming at you from Bob's Burgers. So this is an animated sitcom submitted by Daniel Ye, and it's one of his family's favorite sitcoms. So if you look carefully in the back, you'll see that on the blackboard is listed the burger of the day. So Ryan Wakefield tells me he can change that burger of the day. We can add in our own favorite burgers of the day. So if you've got a favorite burger that you'd like to suggest, we'll have it added, and we'll stick with Bob's Burgers for a while. So please keep those stories and photos coming in. Thank you for sharing what you've done so far, but let's keep it going. The virtual hometown map has over 1,000 visits. We have a new hometown, Jamaica, Queens, New York. So send in your hometowns as well so we can update our virtual hometown map. A couple of updates for you today. The induction into the profession ended. You recall that was a very fast pivot that we put together, that Janet and her team put together to allow our students who were going to graduate through the induction ceremony. 279 total graduates participated in the online version of induction into the profession. That's about 100 less than we would have had if we had done it face-to-face here in the spring, but nevertheless, that's a wonderful result, and I'm very happy to say that we were able to induct some of these students who might otherwise not have been able to do that. Well done, Janet. And Celestin has now delivered 6,443 face shields. He and his team assembled 1,725 face shields just last week. And I'm happy to report that we've delivered 500 face shields to the College of Pharmacy and to Dr. Sneed, the Dean, in preparation for the return of the pharmacy students. So well done, and we'll continue to make face shields until they're no longer needed. So what improvements, innovations, or adjustments have you made to better serve our students and faculty? So here's a really cool one I wanted to tell you about. Dr. Guldikin, mechanical engineering. He has created a YouTube channel in which he posts lectures. He has over 80 lectures, over 20 hours of focused derivations, discussions, real-time examples in the area of undergraduate fluid mechanics. Took him over 200 hours to prepare that. That was 5 hours every night, Monday through Sunday, for the last 6 weeks. But check this out. In the first 5 weeks We had over 5,700 views from over 500 unique viewers, totaling over 30,000 minutes of watch time. So, well done. It's a great service to our students. I know that some of our other faculty are doing things similar to this, so you just got to let me know so I can share it with the rest of the college. So in case you missed it, Dr. Serena Ergas has a project in Ghana, which was selected for the NSF video showcase. And if you look in the email today, you'll see the link. Please go take a look. And remember that you can vote. So vote early and vote often for their videos. And do you know a USF hero? Brought this to your attention last Friday. But a number of USF faculty, students, and staff have really stepped up during these last months. And if you know somebody who's done that, get in touch with Janet Gillis by May 8th, Friday, and take a look at the email. We'll give you some of the instructions. It's not very difficult. I think it's a couple of paragraphs plus a photo. And take the time to nominate some of your colleagues who have done a fantastic job here as we worked our way through the COVID-19 crisis. So as always, I want to thank you for all that you do for our students, all you do for their success, and all you continue to do for each other. And remember to stay safe, be well, and we'll talk again soon.